the Toyota area. Billy. Hello, sir. How are you? Are you a Toyota? H. Hip-hop, sir. Check one. We have now entered the Toyota area. What is your name, sir? Rock. Rock.
Mark.
Mark. And what is your name, sir? Michael and Rock. Everyone give it up for Michael and Rock. We're going to get this party started. We're going to get this party started over here in the Toyota area. You are experiencing Toyota. Please see Mike and Rock. Hello, sir. How are you? And welcome to Toyota. Are you ready? Welcome to Toyota. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Are you ready?
Fattest, funkiest tunes in town.
Yeah. Brace yourselves. We are in the Toyota. Welcome to Toyota. Are you ready? Are you ready for that? Are you ready? If you are having fun, let me hear say, oh yeah. Only here at Toyota.
I can make you feel where this funk came from. I can make you feel.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's take them back. Let's take them back. Only here at Toyota. I feel it. I feel it. Oh yeah, only here at Toyota. We're here live. We're Toyota. Yeah, Toyota. Professor Jackson, are you ready to let's get Toyota going? Everybody, come on, clap your hands over here, Toyota, come on. Everybody say Toyota, 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 Toyota. Oh, yeah. We're here live. Welcome to Toyota. Loretta, check one moving, sir.